There are 3 main signals you use to indicate to other pedestrians, drivers, and bikers what you're about to do. For the left turn, have your left hand pointed straight out to the left side. For the right turn, have your left hand bent pointing up at the sky with your elbow at 90 degrees. For a slow down or stop, have your left hand bent down pointing at the ground with your elbow at 90 degrees with your palm flat. Test your knowledge while watching this biker as she indicates what she's doing and where she's going to others around her. Now I'll explain. As she comes to the red light, she tells the driver that she's going to slow down, stop, and then turn right. As she approaches the stop sign, she uses the slow down, stop signal again, followed by a left turn signal. She uses the slow down, stop once more when she meets the railroad crossing and then turns left. In the following scenarios, the bicyclist is being unsafe. Here she is not using any signals and did not stop at the traffic light. This time, the rider is using the incorrect hand signals and is not wearing her helmet properly. This cyclist is distracted by her phone, is not wearing a helmet, and is not following traffic laws, and is definitely not using her hand signals, which is clearly confusing the driver. Now you know not to be like this rider. Thanks for watching.